Now, does it really get much flatter than that? I mean, off the gun, does it really get flatter than that?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, we're just doing a quick Alfa Romero. We had some damage on the quarter panel, rear bumper, blending the door, and then we also had some damage at the very, very bottom of the bumper. So it's pretty much blending most of the bumper, and it was a mismatch there, and I'm gonna leave it as a mismatch. I don't want no problems up in there. But what we're gonna be doing, man, today we're spraying a little LVLP action. We got this here vevor air compressor. This is a 13-gallon oilless compressor, 2 horsepower, 4.6 CFM at 90 PSI. So we're not gonna be running at 90 PSI, so we should be way under that 4.6 CFM that we need out of the compressor there. And today we're gonna be doing this with this here gun I was sent out. It's a inokraft. I never heard of this, never seen it, don't know nothing about it. It kind of reminds me of that A160 or whatever that gun was that I didn't really care for, but hopefully it sprays a little better than that. It actually feels a little bit better built than that A610, 160, whatever that gun was. But this feels a little better. They send you out a regulator. It comes with 1.3, 1.5, and a 1.7. And that's for the kit. Like there's a kit for like $87 that comes with all of those, or you can just get the basic one that's 60 bucks and it's just a 1.3, this gun as it is, and that's it. And it's an LVLP. And we're gonna see, man, we're gonna see if we can knock out this job here with a little compressor, whole LVLP setup. And we're gonna see, man, if some of you guys from home can do this type of work with that little thing. And check out how quiet it is, man. Look how quiet it is. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out now. Check it out. Like nothing. I'm purposely talking over it, so can you hear me? Can you hear me? You hear me just fine, I'm sure. That thing ain't nothing, man. Nothing. Sound like a damn, let me not say that. Anyway, I'm gonna go mask up. Paint code, I think, was 414 for this here red Alfa Romero. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, as we get our gun set up, 2 turns out. Settings are 2 turns out from closed. That's what I started with as an initial setting, and it turns out that it worked good, and that's where I kept it the entire time, base and clear. As you hear here, the compressor just turned on, so they got that much of the vehicle done, and the compressor turned on. What do you think? Is that good or bad? You tell me. But anyway, the compressor was keeping up with it. No issue there. Sprayed, good atomization. This gun, this inokraft drizzle 1, the drizzle Drake will call it. The air consumption is 10.2 CFM. That's a requirement for the gun. You'll need a compressor that would supply you at least 10.2 CFM. Okay. This compressor gives out 4.6 CFM. All in all, it worked fine. You know, for an LVLP spray gun, in my honest opinion, it's on the higher end. Is that really classified as LVLP? You tell me in the comments what you think. Just to give you an example, what it goes up against, in my book, you all know the Iwata LPH 400, which is at 9 CFM. And just recently I did the video prior to this on the candy with the flakes on my personal vehicle with the LPH 300, the Iwata LPH 300. That was at 7 CFM LVLP. This here Drizzy Drake, 10.2 CFM. You dig? So I don't have to really break it down for you there. You guys know what's up. But I'm showing you simply that it's possible. If you like the gun, you know, for the price. And again, at the price that I said at the beginning of the video, I see already the price has changed on the spray gun. The kit with all the different tips was like $110 now, I believe. And the price for just the standalone gun, I want to say it was like 70, 75, something like that. There'll be links in the description for it in case you're interested. But again, I was sent out the gun just to show you it can be done. If you like the gun, you know, that's in your budget. The compressor as well, you know, if you like the compressor, the gun, I'm just showing you guys that it can be done, you know. I'm not the vevor spokesman any longer. I'm not the inokraft spokesman. I'm just showing you that if you have these things, you can get excellent results. See, that's just one coat of clear, and it looks excellent. No problem. Trigger man, I see you still doing these little cheapy guns, brother. Come on, man, I left you alone for like a month. I haven't interrupted no videos for a month. I come back, man. You're using these little cheap damn Donald Duck spray guns, man. Come on, brother. You talking about LVLP? Man, it's 10.2 CFM, Trigger. That's low CFM? Oh, brother, man. I don't know about you, Trigger, man. Anyway, I just come in briefly, man, just to give my 2 cents. Not like you needed it anyway. But the thing's looking good. I will say it's looking good, Trigger, for a little cheap gun, you know? LVLP. I mean, it is what it is, brother. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one, man. Spray on, brother. Spray on. So these are the results with the vevor 13-gallon compressor using the inokraft drizzle D1. These are the results you can achieve with it. And that's where we're at with it, you know. I basically was sent out the tools, the demo, show you guys. Finito. Back was done. Now I'm go ahead and do the front. And normally, situation like this, a normal job, normal air compressor, I would have done my bumper first and then do the rear of the vehicle last. But since I know that my air is limited, smaller compressor, I wanted to go ahead and have the back of the vehicle done and complete. That way I take a minute or two, come up to the front, do the vehicle, the compressor can go ahead and build up a little. You know, these are just some of the things that you learn as you get more experienced, that you kind of have to manipulate different things, different jobs, different procedures that aren't really as per the book, I would say. But, you know, just not the way you would normally do it, you know. Again, that's just something, again, just comes with experience, with years and years of experience. You know, if I were to do this bumper first and then go around to the quarter while the compressor was still trying to build up, I might have a little lag somewhere with my pressure, might not get as good atomization. So I went ahead and tackled the bigger portion first, even though it's at the rear of the booth, you know, and it still worked out fine. It'll always work out fine. You know what you're doing. And these are just things that just come to you automatically without thinking after you've been doing it long enough. But those are the finished results, man. And those 2 items, excellent results, no problem. You see it out in the sun, looks awesome. All right, we got it done. Boy, I don't know about old Drake, old drizzle Drake, drizzy with the results. Yeah, man. I say, yeah, boy. I say, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. Hey, you guys out there need that package deal, man. That setup, you know what I'm saying? That home setup, you know. You might can't paint a whole damn car with this sucker, but boy, you can do some amazing work with that little thing there. Little package deal, ta-da. I say ta-da. Hold on. Yeah, they come as a package. They come as a package. You know, like when you get them girls that got a whole bunch of kids and say, me and my kids are a package deal. Yeah, this is a package, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing, single mama, don't go crazy. I'm just playing. We a package deal, yeah, well, package right there, them y'all, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, you might can't paint a whole car with it, but if you're looking to do some, man, come on, man, this thing here all right, but for real. Like for real, all jokes aside. For real, ain't too much peel. Y'all know the deal. Trigger gonna keep it real. Y'all. But yeah, that's all right there though, man. For real, you know. But anyway, so yeah, that's it. We'll get it out in the sun later on, see what's well. Maybe not. You know, it's a red, so it ain't like it's gonna see no metallics out in the sun. So it's pretty much done. But if I get it out there and I feel like it, you know, I'll throw it out. Another clip, and if not, then this will be it. So the ink coat and the Drizzy Drake and the vevor, good results, man, good results. Anyway, boy Trip signing off, and remember, it's only a spray gun. Now go have fun. Okay, got it out in the sun for you guys. What the hell? Now you look at that, man. I mean, that's just. It don't get no flatter than that, you know what I mean? If that's it, you know. Excellent results. And look at the texture, look at the peel, look at all the peel. There's nothing, you know. And again, that's just a little compressor, little cheap gun, middle of the road, clear, not the best clear in the world, but clear that lasts you for years upon years upon years. And that's what you can do, man, with this setup. So, again, I'm just passing along the word. You know, I'm demoing the tools for you guys. That's the only part I play in it. You know, you can get in the comments and say, oh, it's 10.2 CFM. That's not LVLP. Duh. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm already saying it for you, for the smart guys out there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. What the hell is he talking about? 10.2 CFM. No water separator on the gun. Although they did throw in one of those in the box. You know, the kit came with one of those, a water separator. Decent little setup, man. They give you everything you need. And again, you know, it'll do the job. Boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. And please tell his girlfriend. Peace.